Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing some motorized roller shades on our two big picture windows. And I bought these on Amazon, and I'll give you the link and everything. But you give them your exact dimensions, your inside dimensions of your windows, and they take that and they add a setback to it, I think a 1/2 inch, and they come cut perfectly. I mean, these things fit in there so nice. So here's what they look like in the box. It's got the valance on there, and you can select right hand or left hand motors. And the reason they do that, so for these two big picture windows, the motor on this one will be on the left, and for this one will be on the right, so you don't have to step into the tub to get to the charging port. So these are comes with a really nice guide. SmartWings is the brand, and it comes with the quick start guide and installation. Very simple. Spring-loaded brackets. You just screw these up to the right about there, and then they just pop in. That simple. So let's get these brackets installed. And see, you only have to buy one remote, and I think this will run, I don't know, 15? Five channels, so it'll run 5 different shades, and we just have 2. So when you order them, you only have to order one of them with a remote, and it comes with charging cables, and we'll get into all that. So it comes packaged up very nice, all bubble wrapped up. So I'm gonna get these brackets. All I'm gonna do is, looks like 2 screws, screw it up there evenly spaced, and we'll get the blinds hung up. All right, so I just measured over 4 inches. That was a recommended distance from the edge. And then I got one in the center, and I just took the bracket, pushed it all the way back, and held it, and just marked those ovals. And I'm gonna drill those and then screw them in. All right, I just grabbed a drill bit that was smaller than the screw that I'm using. And I did a test piece, a little scrap piece of wood, and made sure it was good. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill these holes. And you wanna drill them so you don't split your window casing. And just try to go in the middle of your little oval that you traced. And it came with the screws, so we're going to use those. And I like to just snug them down with a regular screwdriver. Keeps you from stripping it out. simple as that. So let me get the blind. I gotta go open the other box. That's got the left-hand motor on it. So. Pretty simple. So I gotta plug in the motor, let it charge, and then we'll get the remote set up. All right, I got the cord that it came with plugged into the motor. And it's hard to see, but the little green light's flashing, so I guess it's charging. And then it didn't come with the little box, so I just grabbed one out of the house. And this outlet here is for the jets on the tub. So that'll be behind the tub. So what I'll probably do is just plug one of these in with a little extension hanging out. But I think they only have to be charged about every 6 months, so not too bad. And this is going to be the right-hand motor, and it can plug in right here, right next to the sink. All right, so there's one up. I'm gonna let that charge. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat over here and get that one hung up, and then we'll try to get the remote figured out. All right, to wake the motor up, they put it in sleep mode for shipping. There's a little button right here. You push and hold it, and the blind is supposed to go up and down just like that. So now it's awake. So now I already did this side, so it's ready to go. So let me read through this real quick and I'll get right back. All right, that was super easy to program. All you do is hit the up button next to the motor on whichever one you want, and it'll flash. And when it stops flashing, it's ready to go. So let's see here. And you select, so this is the first one, and you hit down. Nice, very nice. So then on the remote you hit this little side button and it goes to the next one, and you hit down. Now if I let it go all the way down, it's just slightly long, and I'll just let you see. It hits and just kind of tilts forward, which ain't bad. But you can raise it back up. And then the center button stops it. And then it goes into a slow mode when it gets near the bottom, and then you just hit that center button again and it'll stop wherever you want it. And I can stop it right there. Very pleased. Very simple to install. Just make sure you give them the right dimensions. These things fit. Look at that gap, hardly nothing. They're very precise, and you do all the measurements on Amazon. It's really easy. And you can get them with or without the valance. I unplugged them for the test, but they seem to be charged up pretty good. I don't think they'll both go up at the same time. Let's see. Oh, yeah. All you got to do is select the other one and hit the button, and they both go up. That's just my air conditioning vent making that noise. I got it closed off. So let's do the same for down. So we'll hit down, and then we'll select the other one and hit down. Very nice. And like I said, I'll leave a link for the Amazon, and if you purchase it through my link, I get a small commission. It doesn't cost you anything extra. I believe there were, if you have Prime, it was free shipping, and it was like $545 for the two of them. Now these are big windows. These are 4 foot tall, 5 foot wide. So if you have a smaller window, it's going to be cheaper. And there's different colors, different options, but it's real easy to pick out. And I'll leave that link for you. And once again, thanks for watching Projects with Paul. We'll see you next time.